Nung, nung mismong earthquake, nasan ka? Kwentuhan mo kami.
Oh, actually, katatapos lang po nung pag-ramp ko nun sa stage. So, I was about to get off ng stage. Yung talagang ang lakas ng pagyanig. So, kala ko po talaga nahihilo lang ako the first time. Pero na-realize ko na it's an earthquake nung tumatakbo na po yung mga tao sa paligid ko. Nasa backstage po
Backstage na. Sino yung co-girls mo na nandoon, nakatabi mo?
Yes po, actually, random na po kasi may mga girls na tumakbo. Pero I saw Taiwan, Miss Taiwan. She stood there, shocked po. So talaga na, siya lang talaga yung naabot ko that time. Tapos, niyaya ko po siya talaga. I don't know if she can understand me kasi she's panicking. Pero I put her dun sa ilalim ng table and I also covered myself dun sa ilalim ng table kasi masyado pong malakas yung nangyari kagabi. So, I was so afraid na kung tatakbo kami, baka maabutan kami whatever it is na mahuhulog sa taas. So, naghintay po kami dun, nagstay kami dun for almost 2 minutes, I think, before kami umalis or before kami lumabas ng table.
Kamusta yung response ng organization, especially ng Radisson Blu Hotel?
They're very calm po. At talaga namang masasabi kong kudos po sa kanila kasi minake sure nila na everyone is safe, na everyone is comforted. Kasi during that time po talaga walang prepared. I mean, hindi naman po natin mapaghandaan talaga yung gantong pangyayari. But they still remain prepared and at the same time calm po during this calamity.
Any message na lang sa mga followers mo, sa family mo, sa fans? And anong ina-expect natin dito sa Miss Asia Pacific according sa sabi ng organization?
Of course, as far as I know po, the activities today, which is the press con, yun lang pina-cancelled. But everything is still gonna happen on the day that they are meant to happen. We have the coronation night sa October 8, the preliminary sa October 3. So wala naman pong update if there's changes. But as of now, we're just making sure na everyone is safe, everyone is still comforted. And at the same time, we're helping din po sa packing of relief goods for Cebu. And as of the moment po sa mga families, to the families of the candidates, and to our families, to our friends out there, I just want to say that we're all safe, we're all well taken care of, and to the families, of course, I just want to share to the families of the candidates. I was able to talk to Miss Morocco, Miss Peru, and Miss South Africa. And I led my phone actually last night for them to use to contact their families, and their families are also afraid, or they're also fearing for the safety of their child as well, kasi it was live, it was